What's up, YouTube? It's the fourth Ken and I'm here. I'm about to get this tutorial popping. So, coming at y'all with a full-length tutorial, and basically, I'm knocking his hair down with a one guard close. So basically, we're gonna be doing a high military fade, I guess you could say, a high fade, a high skin fade with waves on top. And we're gonna be adding a little bit of enhancements to his lineup just to get that pop on it, because that's what my client likes. So we combing through his natural hair pattern right now, and we just being careful of light spots, being careful not to plug his crown, just going in the direction that his hair grows in and that he brushes his hair in. And YouTube, I apologize for the bad quality. I will be getting my camera next week. I'm just waiting to settle a few things out right now, but I will be getting my camera next week, so the quality about to go up, man. But this video, I feel like, was one of the dopest tutorials I dropped, man. Just stay tuned, keep watching. So it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm gonna break this down in depth, this fading technique. So basically what you wanna do is just put that first guideline in. So we're not gonna be making guidelines. We're gonna erase them before we even get to go up to the next step. So we're putting our detailer line in, our bald line, around the temple area. We're bringing this fade up around pretty high. So just keep watching and you'll learn. So what we're gonna do is you go up about an inch with your lever open. Just go up an inch. Then right under that, you close the lever. And you bring that line up halfway. So the line should be erased, but it won't look faded. So just keep watching. I'm not opening it, keeping it closed. Then I open it, feather it, go up about halfway, playing with the lever. I zoomed in here so y'all can see it. So as you can see, that line's gone. Before we even made the guideline, it's gone. So then we're gonna move up above that with our one guard, and we're gonna close the lever. I'm trying to keep this as simple as possible for y'all. So you put your one guard on, close the lever. Go up the same amount, about an inch. Then once you do that, you basically want to open your lever up and go up about like half an inch. Just fade that in. Just fade that in. And then close the lever and go right back under it, just to get that line out, or attempt to. And so we're gonna try and use the zero guard as little as possible. So we're gonna grab our seniors and go with our lever open. But look how I'm holding the clipper. Look how gently I'm tapping. Not even using the full blade, I'm flicking out. Like I'm feathering it, kinda. Like I'm not pushing it into the skin, I'm just tapping it, then flicking it out towards me. You see that? Just keep paying attention. And so that line's basically gone, but it still wasn't faded to how I like it. So you'll see what I do. So I take the zero guard and close the lever and just go up about like a quarter of an inch. just pushing at that line so it'll appear faded. So as you can see, that's faded. It's that simple. It's that simple. We're just hitting it with the detail work. And I'm gonna let y'all watch the rest of this side and the back side and the other side, because this is a full-length tutorial. I didn't record the back. I recorded a small portion of it, so I'll just let y'all watch it. And we'll get back to y'all when I'm about to do the shape up. So.
Tim on the beat.
now, as y'all can see, that fade is blurry. So we just gonna put some fibers on this hairline. That's how he wants it, so we not going overboard with that, John. We just, just a little bit, as y'all can see. And then we take our Tresemme hairspray, spray it for like a second, then blow dry that in. Then we just go into the shape up. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'm gonna just let y'all watch.
Ice King!
So right here we gonna go in with our wall cordless seniors and just freehand trim the top, just to get any loose hairs, frizz, any hairs that are just sticking up out of the way. And we're just laying it down so that my client can just have more confidence, and it shows them that you go above and beyond for them, and they're more likely to tip you. So if you're not experienced with freehand trim, just leave the lever open and then do it. But I'm experienced with it, so I usually close my lever and then freehand trim the top. So we're gonna go in with our razor. I'm using Easy Blade shaving products. If you want to purchase a razor, the link will be in the description, and the website will be showing somewhere on the screen right now. So I'm just stretching the skin, pulling that razor up, making sure I don't nick my client at all. So yeah, YouTube, this is the cut. Let me know how you enjoyed it. Drop any comments or advice that you may have for me. But it's been a pleasure as always, and it's the fourth Ken, and I'm out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.